What's happening, Bearable traders? Robert H here. I know there's been some rumors swirling around that I may have died or disappeared. Just rest assured I'm not resting in peace. So I'm back. I'm trading the open again. Last month I kind of took some time away from the open, working on some midday strategies, some reversal stuff I'm hoping to share with the community at some point in the future. Normally I don't trade the first 5 minutes, but Andrew's been teaching us this 2-minute opening range breakout. I think it's a very powerful move. As long as there's strength behind the move, either long or short, and some things I look for, pre-market levels, breakouts above or below those. So I'm going to show you guys a trade I took on that today, and as well as some other trade I took on Celgene. So BMY, you guys know I took this yesterday. I shorted it on the 2-minute opening range breakdown, right? Today I took it the other way. I saw in the pre-market that it's obviously retracing some of the losses from yesterday. Huge losses yesterday, 10% or something. So this morning it kind of formed this flat top, right? Flat top on the 2-minute chart, and you're probably wondering why, Robert, what are you doing trading on the 2-minute chart? I've switched my 1 minute to a 2-minute. I find it actually it's more useful. There's the information there is just, it's less noisy than the 1. Some of the patterns you see on the 5 are represented better on the 2, just in a smaller scale. It smooths out the wicks and all that stuff that you see from the 1, kind of all that chop. So it's working out for me. Anyways, I saw it break up above that pre-market high. I went long as soon as it did a 2-minute opening range break up, and it kind of pulled back, but as you can see, it never lost the VWAP. It didn't even make a new 2-minute low. It found support at the 46 whole number. My stop was going to be down here, right? I was looking to get to 47 whole number, and we kind of pulled back, bounced off. They got bought up really strong at the VWAP, just bought right back up and popped. Took my first partial here, then I took some off at 47, and then finally I got all out on the new 2-minute low. This is kind of like a momentum play, right? I look for new 2-minute lows to get out. As you can see, this was momentary, some sort of fat finger. I look for new 2-minute lows to get out of these momentum plays because sometimes when they pop up violently, they can collapse like we saw here, right? On to the second trade, Celgene. This was a ABCD off the 2-minute chart. You can see ABCD. Found consolidation at this point here, bounced off the moving averages, and then I went long there. Got a little 40-50 cent move, and then all out. I found that it was really struggling at 85. I think Andrew shorted at 85 after it showed it couldn't break through the whole number. But right before it popped through here, I remember seeing a 1,000 lot on the ask side. So that's what is that? It's like 100,000 shares, right? So very bullish. Anyways, I got out before that happened. Now what I saw on the 5-minute chart, this is somewhat of an ABCD bull flag type of deal. And if I would have taken this on the 5, I probably would have had to put my stop here, and I would take it on the breakout here, right? So look at the stop distance I'd have to use there, right? Or if I played it off the 15, I'd have to play it off this bull flag, right? And I would either take it on the break of the body or the break of the wick. So obviously these are big distances. This is an $86 stock. So I decided to take it off the 2-minute chart. It kind of just tightened everything up for me. And when you're really early on in the open like this, when things start making higher highs, higher lows on the 2, they usually lead to things happening on the 5. Like you can see, when it lost this, it kind of just started cracking, and then you ended up with this candle here, right? So anyways, those are my 2 trades, BMY, Celgene, somewhat related stocks. Hope everyone has a good weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed the recap. Let me know what you think in the comments down below.